Relative reactivity of aldehydes and ketones. So, aldehydes and ketones undergo nucleophilic addition reaction. Among aldehydes and ketones, aldehydes are more reactive than ketones. So, what are the factors which affect the reactivity of aldehydes and ketones? Let us learn now. The first one is inductive effect. First effect is inductive effect. Aldehydes are more reactive than ketones. What is the first reason? First effect we have to consider to explain that inductive effect. Now, if I take one aldehyde and ketone, we know that the ease with which a nucleophile attacks the carbonyl group depends on the electron deficiency or magnitude of positive charge on the carbonyl carbon. The ease with which a nucleophile attacks a carbonyl carbon depends on the magnitude of positive charge on the carbonyl carbon. If the positive charge is more, the nucleophile will come and attack easily. So, the ease with which a nucleophile attacks the carbonyl group depends upon the magnitude of positive charge on the carbonyl carbon. If the magnitude of positive charge on the carbonyl carbon atom is less, lower will be its reactivity towards nucleophilic addition reaction. I am repeating again. If the positive charge magnitude on carbonyl carbon is less, lower will be its reactivity towards nucleophilic addition reactions. Now, alkyl groups has electron donating inductive effect, means plus I effect. So, if there are more number of alkyl groups attached to the carbonyl group, less will be the magnitude of positive charge on the carbonyl carbon, and hence less will be its reactivity. Now, let us see. If I take aldehyde, in aldehyde there is only one alkyl group. Alkyl group is electron releasing. So what happens to positive charge intensity on carbonyl carbon? Decreases, or magnitude of positive charge on carbonyl carbon decreases. So reactivity also decreases. Whereas if you see ketones, there are two such alkyl groups. Two such plus I groups are electron releasing groups. So what happens? The positive charge, magnitude of positive charge on carbonyl carbon of ketone will be less than the magnitude of positive charge on the carbonyl carbon of aldehydes. So aldehydes are more reactive than ketones. Among aldehyde, if I take formaldehyde is more reactive than any other aldehyde. Aldehydes are more reactive than ketones. Why? Aldehydes are more reactive than ketones because the magnitude of positive charge on carbonyl carbon of aldehyde is more than ketone. What is the reason? Plus I nature of alkyl group. There are two such alkyl groups in ketones and there is only one alkyl group in aldehyde. Whereas if I take formaldehyde, there is no electron releasing group here. So formaldehyde is more reactive than any other aldehyde. Aldehydes are more reactive than ketones towards nucleophilic addition reactions. Now let us see the second factor. The second factor which affects the reactivity is steric effect. Second factor which affects the reactivity is steric effect. Again, if I see in formaldehyde, I will take three examples again. Formaldehyde, any other aldehyde, and ketone. In formaldehyde, there is no alkyl group. So, whereas in other aldehydes, there is one alkyl group. But in ketones, there are two alkyl groups attached to the carbonyl group. Obviously, as the number and the size of this alkyl group increases, the attack of nucleophile on the carbonyl group becomes more and more difficult. This is because of steric hindrance. Again, I am repeating. As the number and the size of alkyl group increases, the attack of nucleophile on the carbonyl group becomes more and more difficult due to steric hindrance. So, in other words, because of steric hindrance, reactivity decreases. So formaldehyde is more reactive than any other aldehyde. Aldehydes are more reactive than ketones. And among aldehydes and ketones also, with increase in the number and the size of the alkyl group, reactivity decreases. This is because of steric hindrance. So what is the first effect? Inductive effect. Second factor is steric hindrance. So because of inductive effect and steric hindrance, ketones are less reactive than aldehydes. Steric hindrance will be more in ketones, and there are two alkyl groups which release electrons and decrease the magnitude of positive charge on carbonyl carbon in ketones. So ketones are less reactive than aldehydes. Now let us learn the comparative account of aromatic aldehydes and aliphatic aldehydes. Now, aromatic aldehydes and aromatic ketones, let us see. I will take one aromatic aldehyde and one ketone. I will take one aromatic ketone. Now let us compare these compounds, the reactivity of these aromatic compounds with aliphatic compounds, or aromatic aldehydes with aliphatic aldehydes, aromatic ketones with aliphatic ketones. In general, aromatic aldehydes and ketones are less reactive than corresponding aliphatic aldehydes and ketones. What is the reason here? Here benzene ring is electron donating resonance group. Means benzene ring is a plus R group. Benzene group is plus R group. Plus R group means because of its plus R effect, benzene releases electrons towards the carbonyl carbon. So if it releases electrons towards carbonyl carbon atom, the magnitude of positive charge on the carbonyl carbon decreases. Again I am repeating, aromatic aldehydes and ketones are less reactive than corresponding aliphatic aldehydes and ketones. What is the reason? Electron donating resonance effect of benzene ring, plus R effect of benzene ring. So because of plus R effect of benzene ring, positive charge intensity on the carbonyl carbon of aromatic aldehydes and ketones decreases. So aromatic aldehydes and ketones are less reactive than the corresponding aliphatic aldehydes and ketones. So if I compare only aldehydes, formaldehyde is more reactive than any other aliphatic aldehyde. Formaldehyde is more reactive than any other aliphatic aldehyde. Aliphatic aldehydes are more reactive than aromatic aldehydes. This is among aldehydes. Now let us see ketones. Among ketones, if you see dialkyl ketones. What are dialkyl ketones? Alkyl groups on either side of the carbonyl group. Both the groups on either side of carbonyl groups are alkyl groups. Are more reactive than aralkyl ketones. More reactive than aralkyl ketones. What are aralkyl ketones? On one side aryl group will be there and other side alkyl group will be there. Aralkyl ketones are more reactive than diaryl ketones. What are diaryl ketones? On both sides aryl group. So if I see ketones and aldehydes, aldehydes are more reactive than ketones. Among aldehydes, formaldehyde is more reactive than any other aliphatic aldehyde. Aliphatic aldehydes are more reactive than aromatic aldehydes. This is first case. Now coming to ketones. Dialkyl ketones are more reactive than aralkyl ketones, which are more reactive than diaryl ketones. This is the comparative account of